this section. If there are any issues regarding modifications in the schedule, problems with sharing the presentation and so on, we will try to adjust. We will be very flexible. So please write to us in chat. And if you have any issues sharing, then just I will provide you my email address and you can send the presentations to us and we will share it for you. If there are any other type of problems, again, please contact us. I will leave you both my phone number and email address, and you can write us or call us. So let's try to stick a bit to this schedule. We will present the first speaker for today, Ujvari Greta, presenting the paper, The Most Popular Nutritional Supplements Against Athletes, Educational Guide for Beginner Free Time Athletes. So Greta, please, whenever you are ready.
Okay, I will share my screen.
Danny, please said to Christy to open session 1.
I think Christy is with us here. Okay, I will let him know.
Okay, I hope that you can see my screen. So good morning, welcome everybody. My name is Greta Ujvari, and I would like to talk about the most popular nutritional supplements among athletes. First of all, I would like to introduce myself, then I will talk a little bit about the Hungarian lifestyle, the food supplementation, the role of amino acids, and I will summarize my thoughts. So I finished my studies as a food engineer and food safety and quality engineer at the University of Szeged, Faculty of Engineering. And right now, this is my first year as a PhD student at the University of Pannonia, Doctoral School in Management Sciences and Business Administration. And I really like to do sports. And I'm very interested in the nutrition. So my research topic is the characteristic and trends in consumer and our supplements, sports supplements. Yes, we can see the Hungarian nutrition and lifestyle. If we talk about it, we can say that we have so many traditional foods, and it has characteristic flavors and seasoning. Unfortunately, the Hungarian population has low intake in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. But we have too much intake in carbohydrates, fat, salt, and alcohol. Every 10th person has some alcohol issues in Hungary, and unfortunately we do not so much exercise, and it causes so many diseases such as heart, circulatory, or cancer diseases. The consuming of sports food supplements, this is a very big topic with so many research areas, from psychology to health science, because we have to get to know the consumer behavior, their preferences, and of course, there are so many goals why people use these supplements. So using food supplements are for achieving goals. And there are so many aspects that affects for our thinking, etc. So I would like to make so many market analysis and core areas. And of course, there's the food industry, which product these products. And I think the big question is that supplementation is needed or not? So many literature talk about that conception that food first, and I totally agree with that. And so food first, I think, and then the supplementation is needed. Then we can make some and consume some supplement. And there are so many affecting factors about it. First of all, there's the tasting of the people who have to use it or not to use it, because I can't say people who doesn't like, such as chicken breast, to eat it. So we have to be cautious about it, what those people like. And it's another factor is the nutrition content, because such as we can see the peanut butter. It's a low carb with so many proteins product, but it has so many fat in it. It's so many calories, so we have to take care of the calorie intake too, because of the athlete's weight, because it's so important. So maybe we know that the athletes have to be consume more protein, so they can eat it like whey protein or any other supplementation. And when somebody's physical activity is increasing or their stress level increasing, then they can consume more calories too. And as I said, there are so many different goals for the supplementation and for doing some sports, from weight loss, muscle gain to weight maintenance and power management too. I would like to present you the most common sport food supplements. There's caffeine, it's in the coffee too, from 3 to 6 milligram per kilogram, if we see the body mass, about before 6 minutes from the doing of sports. It's for strength and power. There is the sodium bicarbonate, which is for short-term high-intensity sports, such as sprinting. And the nitrates is a very important thing too, but it has not a big effect. But we can consume it from leafy green and root vegetables, and the nitrates extend time to exhaustion and time trial performance. The most common, I think, one of the most common things is the protein monohydrate, which can enhance post-exercise recovery, prevention, thermoregulation, rehabilitation. So it has so many effects, and it has some periods when people have to consume it or not to consume it, because there's a maintenance phase, etc. Collagen is well known for the injury prevention and tissue repair too, and this is a beauty thing too. And of course, the protein powders are very important too, because they increase net protein synthesis, of course. And if we talk about the Hungarian protein intake, such as statistic, we can say that the Hungarian protein intake is growing since 2013, and from animal origin, mainly meat is the most common, from plant origin, flour, rice, vegetables, and fruits, of course. The building elements of the proteins are the amino acids, and they are required for us for growth, hormonal homeostasis, and they are energy sources for us too. So they are necessary for our organization because they are responsible for so many processes in our system, in our body. So I would like to talk or say that food first, but we can find safety options for supplementation too. So if somebody has a high performance or big physical activity, they can use some supplementation too. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you have